Welcome back to Triple X Learning. Today we have this question: 9 to the power 2x minus 1 equal to 3 to the power 3x plus 3. How we can proceed over here? So first of all, I would like to put all the variables on the left side and all the constant term on the right side. And to find out all the variables one side, I need to resolve this one. So 9 can be write as 3 square, and then there is a power already, that is 2x minus 1. I can put here, and here 3 to the power 3x plus 3. Now we can just multiply this one. So 2 into this one is going to multiply, so 2x minus 1, and here 3 to the power 3x plus 3, and it is giving 3 to the power 2 to the 4, 4x minus 2 here, and here 3 to the power 3x plus 3. So I'm going to use one formula over here, and that formula is, if suppose a to the power m and suppose a to the power n, their bases are same, so obviously their power should be equal to make these quantities equal. So m is equal to n, so I'm going to use this one over here, the same base and same power, so this one, that is, so bases are same, so power should be same. The concept is here. So 4x minus 2 is equal to 3x plus 3 over here, and this one, all the variables should be on the left side. So 4x minus 3x, and 3 and minus 2 will be here, so 3 plus 2, that is coming 5, and here x. So obviously we have x is equal to 5, and this is our solution, this one. Thank you so much for watching my videos. For latest upcoming, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.